My name's Izzy Dickinson. I'm Head of Performing Arts at Grace Academy Coventry, and it's the first international trip our school has ever run.
My name is Fran Baxter. I am from a school in Bradford.
The way that Tracy delivered that first presentation was really, really good and engaging, and actually I learned from it too. So they had some stimuli to work from and came up with ideas. They worked with people they wouldn't usually work with, which I think is really good for building confidence, building communication skills. Scripted workshop, which I think was most beneficial to my year 11s. They'd all brought their scripts with them today, and our facilitator worked through like breaking down their script. It just gave them that real time to focus. Session facilitators were really good with our students. They got the right level of kind of being teachers, but also being workshop practitioners.
I definitely think the workshops were pitched at the right level. I think especially when you're accommodating for like multiple year groups who are all going to be different stages and different schools that will structure their curriculum in different ways with schools on different exam boards, it's quite a task to kind of encompass all that at once. So I do think they were pitched at the right level.
And the atmosphere that they made, it was so like inviting and you felt comfortable.
Confidence in terms of the written exam and approaching those harder questions. They've gained self-belief in their decision making, and some of the feedback they got from their performances was really confidence building as well.
The thing I liked is the fact that I was always learning, and that did increase my confidence because it sort of put me out of my comfort zone.
The feedback they gave, it's the type of feedback that you can take away and really develop and make your piece even better.
Those relationships that have been built whilst here will be massive when we go back to the classroom, and I think that will be a foundation for moving forward for Key Stage 4. Some of them today that got up and performed wouldn't be the students that'd be the first to put their hands up and perform in front of everybody. The fact that they willingly offered is credit to the facilitators that work with them in such a short space of time. Day of workshops, we're going to Disneyland, they're watching a show at Disneyland, they're going into Paris, and they're going to see some of the big sites that they might never ever get to see for the price that we've paid. I think is brilliant.
These students, they will never forget it. They learn so much outside of the classroom. It's been really, really well organised, and I'm sure it will continue to do so.